So today we have a Craftsman 1132, and customer's concern was that it doesn't blow snow really good. Basically, it just blows it, but up to here. It just puts it out right in front of it. Pretty sure the belt is shot, pretty much stretched, and first thing you gotta do is undo these 3/8 or 10 mil bolts. Cover off. And as you can see, the belt it's shot. So show you how to split it in half and change the belt. And yeah. So first thing you do, you want to come over here there, buddy. You undo these 1/2 inch bolts here. There's 3 on this side. There's 2 up here. There's 1 at the bottom here. You just gotta loosen up the 1 on the bottom because then that's where it pivots. So just undo these ones. Get a good gander at the 1 at the bottom here. So I'll just start them off with this wrench. So with this one now, the ratcheting one faster. So you'll take these 2 off and loosen up the bottom one. You can do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna come over here. There's 2 up here. Just take these out and loosen up the 1 on the bottom. And then after you do that, you could undo the take the pin out here. You could just split it right in half. So we'll get that all done and we'll be back. Okay, so after you remove 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on this side, and you loosen the ones on the bottom, on this side and the other side, you take the pin out and the cotter pin for this, and do that. So now we will move the belt guide, put it over like that. Belt off, and then there you should split. You have to go like that. There we go, like that. I should remove the shoe cable, but this one will take a couple seconds here. So there you go. There's your belt, and this is the new belt here. This is the part number. Part number 612-585416. I don't think you really need those numbers, just need these ones. And this is a Murray belt for Craftsman. Make sure she's the right one. I might have actually put the wrong belt on this Snowblower, but I went by the VIN number. This one should be right, so cross our fingers. So put the belt on, go like this, put her on. Now, you see here, I shine down here, bud. These little notches, that's where these go. So go like this. Trick it, bro. I gotta move this one out of the way here. Okay, you recording now? You good, bud?
Mm-hmm.
You recording? Okay.
Yep.
So let's go with that. See how it fell in. Check this side. It's all good. Then, as you can see here, there's a pin hitting here. So all you gotta do is go like this. I don't know if you've seen it. It moved. See that pin right there? I'll do it again. See how it, see if you go like that, it won't go in. So you go like this. And there you go. She's in. that back on. We'll start one bolt on here, and that's pretty much it. I'll get these back on and see how she blows snow. We got everything all back together. As you can see, well, she's way tighter now. I adjusted the idler pulley here, so should be ready to go. Put this cover back on and see if she blows snow. We're good, bud. Okay, so when the customer brought this, it sounded like it was revving really high. So I'm going to adjust the high speed. And there's a screw back here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a screw right back here, right behind here. I don't know if you're picking that up, but it's right here. I'm going to back that off just a little bit. Fire it up. See how she sounds like that. See how she blows snow now. go. That's how you change a belt on a Craftsman. It actually blows not too bad for Craftsman. So there you go.